I don't pick Papa down. I wanted to want to for a burial. Say he left his mother when they were 2. Now I don't pick the pay Papa when they were 8 years old. My papa, woman will not want men are very good people. My papa paid me. I eat my papa money for school. When I was in Uniben, my father was an illiterate, and everything my papa they do, ni school. So I took advantage. Everything that they come up, Baba. He needed 200,000. Why you in my happy atmosphere? Baba, he was with the atmosphere. He was doing a Unibenya Ira. Doriego. One day I told my father that I need 150,000 for Uniben spinal cord. Oh, Umo, no one people have ever gonna clap for themselves. I'm from Idige, you know. I don't begin not contact you from Umo because I'm also family when get money you say for come.
Take. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please can we put our hands together for MC Casino, please. Mona clap for him now. Mona clap for him. This is not supposed to be his profession. He studied microbiology in Uniben. Today is handling a microphone. His mates are doing masters in Ekboma. Is a master of ceremony. So put your hands together for him. Master is master. I wonder why some comedians will handle microphone and begin to insult their father. There is no way I can insult my father. He is a successful man and a responsible father. Put your hands together for my father. My father was not poor. The man was wretched.
Very good.
It's okay. It's okay. Break it up. Break it down. If they talk about the Mogunagwa, if I tell you where I came from, you're not going to believe your eye. I'm from Onwa East. My mama from Jetu Esako. So because of my mother condition and my mama people who they stay with, as I talk to you now, my mother language will they speak. Where we stay for Awuchi Sote. We Tifao. Fowl call the Yawa language. One day we want Tifao, now I call 4 guys for Awuchi. I say Momo, Shalibu, Abubakar, Gwagwakiana, Nugwakiana, Niman will not go now. The fowl there our middle. Now the fowl say, eh. On the Gagiana, no Nagiana, Memena fly. Hello.
If that don't follow, I'm supposed to clap for the guy now. If not be access bank when they deduct our money, we cannot make a move.
I don't pick your casino. Una pa even try.
Hello. Una pa even try. Una so na pa poor. Me, I wish na only poor my pa poor. I for the do Thanksgiving for church. My pa poor come stingy join 2 things. 1 man. When I fear my pa, he carry me go school, go the price school fees. Teacher, who ni go no? They say 20,000. They say, this small boy, he no book. Oh. Now me, Bonamona collect 11,1. I use dirty poverty. We were so poor to the extent. My power NEPA. NEPA they call on power holding. NEPA they call our house cut light for afternoon. For night we'll still on candle. NEPA will still come off light. We don't want to see light for this house. Many of una they say poverty. I don't begin a casino. They born una for hospital. Una not thank God. Me, instead of hospital, they born me for chemist. Instead of birth certificate, they give my party receipt. So the poverty, now inside poverty, now joke come out. I know when you reach poverty joke, youngest landlord they carry first. A lot of applause for MC Poverty, youngest landlord. If they complain say they born up for chemist. me when my mama born for road of farm. They give you birth certificate receipt, you know happy. What you are getting an eyewitness. Nobody know when they born me. My father said I was born 1986. My mother said 87. My elder brother said 85. But it took the wisdom of my grandmother to salvage the situation. I said, I scattered the house. So my grandma koko oime lare wa egui. Ima wa de na bio everio, but de na banini orukbo de anabio. So my date of birth is annually death plus 3. When I clap for me from another jealous. If not be access bank when they deduct my money, I will become a comedian. We have been making money before now. Ladies and gentlemen, please can you put your hands together for my fairly used friend? Put your hands together for him.
You are welcome to the ancient city of Benin. We won't leave our father alone. This one, Papa don't die, my house still alive. More respect them. Let me welcome you to the ancient city of Benin, where you have the most respected monarch in the world, the Omonoba Nedo Uku Apolopolo Ogidigan Oba Ewa II. Oba Atokpa, hey. Benin person not the carry last, oh. Inside where Benin person go carry last, the result go lost. And the only time people Benin woman not the old. Instead for Benin woman to old, she will bad low cut. When you call her here, you go say, I see your mama. Bring out that Benin, my other Benin, you go see, your person when they advertise Bible, go they lie. Go read road, go there, come and buy your Bible, 250 for your Bible, yeah. Go and hear red shirt so, you hear black shirt so, and they see you, but you know they see me. And they know they see you. When you come go, they sell at 750. Now read road, I see that they use gospel song, advertise Gloria Mercy. Gospel song that they use advertise Gloria Mercy. And they walk out for ring road while they are here. On Christ the solid rock I stand. All other ground is sinking sand. All other ground is sinking sand. Jesus root na the root where they command yam for our body. Anything they suffer from for the cocos, all the cocos. My brother, my sister, drinks the stroke, come out of bed, want to fiam. That is the swallow, it is like German. Now Gloria you carry so drinks the stroke, come out for body, fiam all other ground. Ladies and gentlemen, take us in the play.
If they talk about Benin women, I love you. You never see my grandma from Ewesi. My grandma speaks Brazilian with her. I say, I say, I need Becca. Not only Benin woman get the ability to send you message. He could tell you saying, they send you message. OMC casino, la we mage wanwo, we poluwa wala dia. Wa poluwa wa fone, image wanwo, iyanareva ya duwe mameo. Wa duwe mani fone, la we mage wanwo, opia nareva ya gbe unaribae. Na say iye la we game wanwo. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is MC Casino. God bless you guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, my two comedian friends, they talk about Benin. And they have Benin. How about talk by hey? They never know say door is Yakbo. No, if you see say they like, check out nothing when other countries, other states, neighboring states don't produce when Benin never produce. How about talk by hey? Now Benin, in terms of politics, now Benin man first write the Nigerian national anthem. Check out late pa or dia say down for politics. If you be Benin man, they clap for anything when they talk. Down for politics, now Benin produce the first man with that national anthem. If you don't talk about Christianity, now we Benin produce the first Archbishop in Africa. Late Archbishop Bensi Idahosa of blessed memory. If you don't say Benin man, clap for Benin. If you are talking about monarch, now we Benin get now only two kingdoms we get in the world: United Kingdom and Benin Kingdom. If you be Benin man, clap for yourself. If you dey talk about Ashawo, we get full headquarter for Europe. If you Benin man, clap for yourself. If you dey talk about armed robber, now we Benin produce the first notorious armed robber in Africa. Let Lawrence Noah and Nini of blessed memory. If you Benin man, they clap for what they talk if not truth. If you are talking about courtism, now Benin they form one court for Uniben. I don't want to mention the name. That one court, una go know. Now only Benin courtism go there happen. Now only Benin courtism go dey fight. Crazy people they carry phone call themselves. Mo go worry go crazy. Now only Benin, since I was born, other states, other countries, they use football can't score 3-1. Now only Benin they use human being can't score. In your ring road 19-1.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, at this point in time, permit me to announce that
all ladies and gentlemen, please come put our hands together for youngest landlord. I beg. More than clap for youngest landlord. He get many better things we believe for the tribe. Won't leave Curtis and all those who believe the tribe well for plenty other things. But before